guys, Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a video that was actually a challenge from Diana Simply Saves, and she challenged us to do a holiday decor piece that was $5 and under, a DIY decor piece, $5 and under using Dollar Tree items, and it did not include the paint. So I'm gonna hop in and show you guys what I decided to go ahead and make. I was gonna record this, but when you see what I decided to make, you'll understand why, because it's kind of impossible to do what I did and have to worry about a camera in my face and my kid's face, so I didn't even bother recording this process. But definitely go and check out Diana Simply Saves. She's been a subscriber of mine for quite some time, and she has participated in the last 2 Dollar Tree collabs I did. She also participated in the Cashier Appreciation Weekend last year, so she's been a great supporter of my channel, so I wanted to do the same and support her in her collab. So definitely go and check out Diana. There's a playlist, so definitely go and check out that playlist below to get some more inspiration. So I went ahead and picked up these canvases from the Dollar Tree. So I wanted to do something that was a handmade gift from the kids to their grandparents. So the first thing that they did was they made a Christmas tree. So this is the Christmas tree that we made right here, and the little fingerprints are the kids' fingerprints. So their fingerprints turned out to be the lights on the Christmas tree. And then I was even able to get the dog's paw prints on here. So there's Charlie's paw print right there, and that's Porter's paw print right here. So this was just a quick and easy little project that the kids were able to do, and we were able to customize this and give this to my mom. So things like this, grandparents cherish forever. So I thought that we would go ahead and just make her a Christmas tree. And then the next one is for their Mima, so my husband's mom. So the first one's going to my mom, and then the next one's going to my husband's mom, and I got the kids' footprint. So they are the 3 little reindeers right here. So we have Tanner's little foot, we have Scarlett's, and then Mr. Sawyer right here. And I turned their little feet into reindeers. So these canvases cost me $1 each, and then I already had the paint on hand, and I didn't even need to use very many paintbrushes because I use their feet and their fingers. So this was a really quick and easy little gift idea that you can do if you want to do something personal for the grandparents, or maybe you want to make something like this for your husband from the kids. I just think this is a really cute little gift idea that the kids can do. So this is what I decided to do for my Dollar Tree holiday decor item for $5 and under. I only spent $2 because I had the paint on hand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.